guys, welcome back to TNK Studio. My name is Purika.
My name is Ganesh.
So today we are at K9. It's a restaurant, and then downstairs there's a surprise which you'll know the later. So we ordered French fries, crispy chicken and noodles. And by the way, I cut my hair.
Nice guys.
What
Nice
you
guys.
ordered?
Huh?
What you ordered?
French fries.
We got French fries with
Sauce.
sauce. This is sauce and this is mayonnaise, spicy mayonnaise. It's really nice.
Is it spicy?
Oh. Here we got crispy chicken with the same sauce. So for you.
Oh, nice.
And this is really good later. Hi guys, here is a surprise.
Finish. Finish.
What?